How to turn off typing indicator on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn off typing indicator on Instagram. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram application on your mobile device. Make sure to log into the particular account. Tap on the messenger icon at top right corner of the screen to access the message or the chat section of Instagram. From the chat section, you need to open any particular chat where you want to turn off the typing indicator on Instagram. Once you turn it off, or once you have come on the section, select the username at top of the screen of the particular chat user. And here you need to select privacy and safety option. Scroll down. You will need to locate the typing indicator option. Simply toggle the button off and now others can see when you are typing. In this way, you can easily turn off typing indicator on Instagram. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.